Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
Fine.
You are, I'm Mr. Khosa, the educator in our secondary school, and Malamulele Central Circuit in the Vhembe district. Today, we are in the class of mathematical literacy. And then, I've got a picture today in my class. And then, first question is, what do you see? Now I need your participation. What do you see? Anything that you can see on the picture? Yes? These are human beings, right? What other thing that we see? Yes? It's a market. What is it really mean? They are selling, right? Then we have picture number 2. And what do you see here? Yes? Yes, there are mining breakers. Let me go for another picture. What do you see here? Yes? This one is a taxi driver. Isn't it?
Yes.
What about this one? It's a man washing cars, isn't it?
Yes.
Good. These three pictures, they've got one thing in common. That's the topic of today. Profit and
Loss.
Automatically, we cannot deal with the profit and loss before we deal with the two terminologies, which is income and expenditure. If you check there in our content, in our pictures, those 3 pictures, there are people who are selling. The other ones, they are working, isn't it?
Yes.
They work in different fields where they earn income. On the first picture, there are people who are coming for the market. They are coming to buy, isn't it?
Yes.
Whenever they are buying, the hawker makes an income. And the people who are going to buy, they are doing what? Expenditure. What is all about these 2 terms? What is income? And income refers to the money received typically on the regular basis for through investments. We can give an example. What is salary, wage, bonus, and other earnings? And whenever we talk about the salary and the wage, the one who's washing the car earns what? A wage. And the wage is upon a week or a fortnight. But the salary is for a month. The mine workers, they earn on a month. And what about expenditure? Let's go to the expenditure. This is the amount of money spent on goods and services. It can be categorized into what? Fees and expenses. Like what?
Rent or mortgage.
And then we've got the what?
Variable expenses.
Which is grocery and
Entertainment.
Now, I need to watch this. Let's watch this.
Profit and loss. Products on wheels, based on a true story. Alice had its hard work delivering products. She decided on the selling price. This is the amount of money someone will pay for an item.
Okay. Here we're with Vanessa, right?
Yes.
She's selling what?
Orders.
How much is her order?
$3.
Okay. Let's go on.
She got her first order this morning and cycles as fast as she can to deliver it. But at the end of the day, she wishes she lived in a village with 2 escapes. But She sold 10 quarters. The total cost of the eating.
She sold how many?
10 quarters.
What is the thing? One is how much?
20 grams.
How much did you make?
500.
In quarters is 390 rand. But her income is only 200 rand. So her expenses are more than her income.
Let me go back a bit.
She's making a lot.
There is something that is in here that I would like us to see. These two lines. Remember, we did graph, isn't it?
Yes.
What is this point? Code in a graph, where two graphs meet for the income and the expenses here, where they are equal. Remember on the last class we talked about what? Where two graphs meet for the expenses and expenditure. Yes? It's a break-even point. We learned with this previously. Let's go on.
So her expenses are more than her income. After all this work, she's making a loss. Oh,
They say the income is less than the
Expenses.
and it makes a what?
Loss.
loss is when her income is less than her expenses. To calculate the loss,
Do you understand what is happening here, right?
Yes.
Let's move on with our session. They say a profit is an income greater than the what?
Expenses.
What about the loss? A loss is an
Income less than expenses.
good. Let's go on. Now let's have an activity based on the scenario of Alexa. But now we said here it's not clear, but it says Nayel is a worker in Malamulele Secondary School. She sells pap and balls. She traveled to crossing using what? Amatente. We know Amatente, right?
Yes.
What is Amatente? It's a meter taxi for 10 rand per single trip. Where she buys Khosa. She spent how much? 9 rand 75 cents a plate that she sells 17 rand. Right? They say how much did she gain per plate? It's only we use the word the profit and the loss. What do we do? We say the selling price minus the what? Minus the expenditure. Cost minus the expenditure. That is why we get what? How the money for the plate. The money gain. She gained how much? 725 cents. Okay. Tell me, is it a profit or loss? Profit. Can you explain? Why are we saying it's a profit? Let's go back. We said a profit is an income greater than the expenses. The plate there it was how much? 17 rand. And it was 17 rand. And she sells 17 rand. The cost is 9 rand 75 cents. Okay, let's check if we did whatever that we said is correct. We said it's 17 rand minus 975 cents, and then we get 725 cents. And then this one we said is a profit. And then because the income is greater than the expenses. We upload. Now we have the homework. We need to write this at home. I will send it via WhatsApp the homework that we are having, right?
Yes.
No. Thank you for being my class. You can clap your hands.